Hello guys, I have a video for you guys today. So yeah, the video today is I'm gonna open 35 snowflake gifts. So that's why I'm in Trading Plaza, because as you can see, I don't have any in my inventory. So I'm gonna buy some. Right, this guy, oh, he's selling them. Alright, but let's see if we can find anything cheaper before we buy it. That's the same price actually. That's kinda insane. I feel like this guy, we're buying 35, so if we buy like, I feel like we gotta buy 15 from him. Then we also buy 20 from this guy. No, actually, let's just do 40. Like, it doesn't matter. So we're opening 40 snowflake gift. Let's go. So see y'all when I'm ready to open them. Alright guys, I'm back and now it's time for me to open some of these snowflake gifts. So yeah, this is very expensive. It took like more than the half amount of my gems. So you guys please go like and subscribe and all that thing. Yeah. And then we'll probably also do a giveaway in the end of this video. Because I can't have that. I need to have my enchants in mastery, and damn. And now we are ready to open some of these crazy snowflake gifts. So let's start up by opening 4. Let's hope we get something crazy. Damn, bro. We didn't got anything. Wait, what is this? Oh, Christmas tree. You know what? Let's go into Trading Plaza. Alright, guys. Now we are in Trading Plaza, and yeah, let's just keep opening. So let's do 1. And let's click on it. Oh, you can click on those. You need it to like grow, so it can be like very big. You know what I mean, guys? No, let's open 8. Alright, please. Damn, nothing at all. Oh, I mean, we did get like some potions and stuff. Let's keep going. Alright. Still nothing. Like, I really hope we get something. Oh, someone's trading me. Let's just see what he has to offer. Alright. If I add my... Oh, he's giving me the... Damn. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I would love the gifts, but I'm sorry, bro. You just don't have enough. Sorry. Alright, let's keep opening. We have 6 more to go because we will also do a giveaway in the end of this video. So one of you guys can win like one of these. You just gotta go comment your username in the comments, and then in the next video I will pick the winners. So yeah. We got 6 more to go. No, 5. Because, yeah. Oh my god, I'm not getting anything out of this. That's crazy. I kind of want to open 3. Let's just do it. Alright. Give me something good. Give me something good. Please. Let's just do the last one. Alright, what will I get? What will I get? I got absolutely nothing. Alright, but if you guys wanna win in the giveaway, just if you guys wanna win like a snowflake gift from a giveaway for totally free, just comment your username down in the comment thing, and then I will pick a random winner who gets a free snowflake gift sent to their mail. See ya in next video.